Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Google One how to share with family. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So to do it, first what you need to do is head over and open up your Google One app and be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the three horizontal bar on the top left corner of your screen. Then inside, simply select settings. Then once you're inside your settings, there you'll find an option that says manage family settings. Simply tap on that and select manage family group. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is simply tap on invite family members. Then enter the email addresses of the family members you wish to invite. Then tap on send to send invitations. Then once your family members accept the invitations, return to the manage family settings. Then toggle on share Google One with your family and then confirm by tapping share. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.